So in this video, I'll show you the simplest and the fastest way to get started with OpenClaw without getting any external hardware like Mac Mini or Raspberry Pi, as we will be deploying OpenClaw onto the cloud server. So this video is for all those curious people out there who want to try their hands on with OpenClaw after hearing a lot of buzz everywhere around, but without going into much technical details or writing any commands in terminal. Just click and done. So now let's move on to the computer and let me show you the steps to do it. So first you need to go to the Hostinger page from the link mentioned in the description of this video, and here you need to click on one-click OpenClaw. So here it says we can get our agent set up in just 60 seconds. Well, let's see. So here I'll click on claim deal button, and now it's showing me two plans. One is of $549 per month and other is $799 per month. And now here in the $799 plan, we get the root access of the system, and also the configuration of the system are specified as well, which is kind of missing in the $549 plan. So I'll better go with the $799 plan for reliability. Now here, the $799 per month plan is only applicable when we select 24-month period, but when we go with the 1 month period, the rate changes to $12.99 per month. But that's not it. There are a couple of more charges. So moving ahead, it shows us the option for ready-to-use AI, in which we don't need to provide any external API keys. And here the basic plan is of $559, and we can recharge these tokens in future as well. So now here I'll select the first option only. Now here let me tell you, in case if you already have a paid plan subscription for maybe OpenAI or Gemini or any other LLM supported by OpenClaw, well, you can skip this option and provide the API keys of your existing LLM, and with that you don't need to pay extra to Hostinger. And lastly, we have this instant web scraping option, which gives us 1000 credit points for free, and this will be useful to make our OpenClaw to go to any website and get us the real-time data from it. So I'll checkmark this as well, and with this the total amount to be paid comes $1858. So now in case if you're curious about OpenClaw and want to try out your hands on with this without using your personal computer or without buying an external single board computer like Raspberry Pi, well, paying 1858 rupees seems a very decent price. At least you can try your hands on for a month and play with it, and if you find it really useful for yourself for your day-to-day task, well, you can continue the subscription and use it accordingly. So lastly, I will click continue and will do the payment via UPI, and yeah, it's done. Congrats, your journey begins now. Let's go. So now in the next step, you can see it already added the OpenClaw token and the Nexus API key for me, as I have chosen that AI plan as well. And in case if you haven't selected that AI plan, well, you can also provide your LLM model API keys in this section. After that, you can also add your Telegram bot token or WhatsApp number to chat with our agent using the social media applications. So now here I'll integrate my Telegram bot. For that, I'll go to the BotFather and type new to create a new bot. Later, I'll give a name to this bot, and finally, I'll give the username to it, which should end with the name bot. And that's it. It gave us the token which we need to paste here inside the OpenClaw setup page. And lastly, I'll just click on the deploy button. And we are done with all the steps that are required to set up our own OpenClaw server, and now here we just need to wait for some time. So it was definitely not 60 seconds, but it was definitely fast enough as compared to installing OpenClaw manually in any other computer. So now till the OpenClaw gets set up and started running, let me first thanks to the sponsor of today's video. So this video is sponsored by LTM, and you must have already heard about LTM software a lot from my videos, but you may ask that, hey Sachin, I'm a student, I can't afford LTM license, or else I don't know how to use it. Well, I got a special news for you all people. So LTM came up with something really exciting for all the students in India called as LTM Student Lab, in which you can enroll for free with your university email ID, and later you'll get free access to LTM license, PCB design courses, and certification as well from LTM upon completion of the courses, which will truly highlight your resume. And the most amazing thing about using and learning LTM software is that this software is accepted globally by a lot of well-known tech companies. So if you are a student from India, well, you should not miss out this opportunity. Just click the link mentioned in the description right now and enroll for free for LTM Student Lab. Okay, so here is our OpenClaw dashboard up and running, and now let's try to test if this works or not. So I'll just send hi, and let's see. Hi, I'm here. What should I call you and what you want to call me? So let's give it a name. So your name is Jarvis and my name is Sachin. Let's go. Now this will save, like this agent will save all this data in a file called as soul.md if I'm not wrong. So this will remember, and yeah. Okay, nice to meet you, Sachin. I'm Jarvis. Any preferred vibe? Want to signature emoji? What should I help you? Use robot emoji. So yeah, just giving it a basic name and identity kind of that. So now as this is up and running, let's just try to do or like give some tasks to it and see a couple of demos. Okay, so let's try with the web search. Okay, so as we have seen while setting up, we do have what you can say a feature which can do the web scraping and get the real-time data. So let's just ask to search something online. Can you search for TechieSMS YouTube channel and tell me how many subs it has? Let's try this because this do require a web search to be made. Yeah, it's doing the web search, and I think it should get me the numbers. It's currently 162,000. So let's see. The TechieSMS YouTube channel currently shows 161. So YouTube rounds the subscribers, so it may appear as 161k, 162k depending on the page. Okay, but yeah, it got it correct. So yeah, the web search is working. And if I go to this skills, well, so here as you can see, we do have 50 skills pre-installed. Out of them, 6 are ready to use and 44 needs to set up, like linking it with our account and stuff like that. So let's just see which skills are ready. So we have Claw Hub, which is kind of necessary for all the OpenClaw related services, health check, Himalaya, Node Connect, skill creator. Okay, and last is the weather. So let's test out the weather one. So what this skill does is get current weather forecast via wttr.in or OpenMeteor. So no API key needed. Perfect. Let's just try to go to chat, and here let's just try to ask what's the weather status of my own city. Let's just say Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, it's like 32, feels like 31, wind 14 km per hour, humidity 36. Perfect. So yeah, these were the very basic things which you can do in the, what you can say, chat GPT as well. I'm not sure about the YouTube subs, but you can definitely do a lot of interesting things. For example, I tried to ask OpenClaw via Telegram to create a website which shows the statistics of its own system. So later it do ask me a couple of inputs from my side, but eventually after some time, it actually gave me a link which was hosted on Cloudflare, by opening which I can see the statistics of this particular system. Statistics like what's the OS it is using, what's the kernel, how much RAM it is, how much storage available, all those stuff. So I was able to see that in the beautiful website, all done by OpenClaw. Later I also gave one cron job to it to let me remind to drink water after every 30 minutes. And it actually started giving me the alerts every 30 minutes. And even as of now, while recording this video, if I show you the screen recording of my phone, as you can see, I'm getting the reminder every 30 minutes to drink water. So you can definitely give multiple cron jobs, which you can also monitor here. Let me just show you. So when you go to the cron jobs, here as you can see right now, I have only one single cron job, drink water reminder every 30 minutes. So you can set any reminders that you want. It will run 24/7 and it will remind you directly on your social media platform, in my case, Telegram. So yeah, those were some of the demos which I performed just to let you know that the OpenClaw is installed successfully, it's running successfully, and it's available for you to do any task that you want in the simplest way possible, and also in a very low cost form factor. Like you don't need to require your own computer, any hardware. The only cost here is the LLM. So definitely the 5 credits which I have used or purchased while beginning got over while creating that website only. So I need to purchase 20 more credits. And if I let you know how much credits left now, then I'm left with 14.4 credits out of 20 which I recharged. Okay, so in total I consumed 5 plus 5, like around 10 credits I have consumed by performing all the demos which I have showcased in this particular video. So you can imagine how much this actually cost. And This is just for this Nexus.ai credits, but in case if you use your Gemini or ChatGPT, like the cost is totally different. Okay, so yeah, you need to be careful about this cost as well. Like it is not monthly, it is based upon the usage. Okay, so here the fixed cost is only of the server given by Hostinger, which will be debited every month, but the actual cost of this entire agent may vary depending on your usage, depending on how many credits you are utilizing for your different tasks. So that is the one thing which you need to take care before start playing with this OpenClaw. So that was all about the quickest and the simplest way possible to start playing with OpenClaw, and this video was just to showcase how you can get started with it, and hence I didn't show much demo about what you can do with the help of OpenClaw, and I'm sure there are a lot of videos online which shows what people are doing with the help of OpenClaw. So you can definitely watch out that video and can try that out as well now with the help of this Hostinger cloud platform. And even I made videos on OpenClaw in which I installed OpenClaw on the Raspberry Pi, and later I asked that OpenClaw to program my microcontroller boards, and also asked OpenClaw to order biscuits from Blinkit online, and it did that. So you can definitely watch out that video, whose link is in the description and also in the I button. So yeah, now do hit the like button if you really like this video showcasing the simplest way to install OpenClaw, and in case if you have any doubt regarding any of these steps, well, you can definitely comment below and our team will try to help you out with that error. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to don't miss out any upcoming tutorial videos in the field of electronics, IoT and AI. And with that being said, I'm just ending this video here, and now just wait for my next video, and then explore, learn, share with me, TechieSMS.